Hi YouTube, welcome back on WordPress theme development series. It's me, your guide Arjun. Today we're gonna display post in our WordPress site. As you know, posts are the main blog aspect of the site where content are listed in reverse chronological order. Then how to display the post in our page? We can use any of the template file to display post according to the WordPress theme guide. Let's move there. WordPress theme handbook. We can use any of the template file to display post. Theme basic. I think it's on the post type. Yeah, the template file that display the post type are all of these. It means single category, tag, taxonomy, archive, author, date, source, home, index, and more than that, developer can display post on the front page as well if they code accordingly. At this moment, we have just indexed.php on our theme folder. Um, so we are going to start coding over there, but don't worry, on our coming future videos we will divide all those code separately on different template file. For this moment we are gonna display all of our posts from the database that we have. let's create um, let's create and start coding. uh, let's check the WordPress dashboard. We have only one post, that is the default hello world post on our WordPress blog. um, to display the post in our WordPress site, loop is used. Loop is the building block for WordPress. Let's start coding now. In the index.php file, we're using Bootstrap 4, so let's create the section here as a section block, and inside this section block let's add the div that is with class container class, and close that. Inside the container let's add row row, and inside the row let's divide the row into eight small column 8. That means class cool hyphen sm hyphen 8 8. Mm, it's a green system, and let's start with PHP block here. mm, PHP block PHP block, and close the PHP. We're going to display the blog here, so we are using the loop, that is the building block for WordPress, with the if statement. Have underscore post, that's the function, WordPress powerful function. um, and if have post, we are looping through the up to the post that we have. So use the while loop here, have underscore post, that's the function, and we are displaying the post. Let's close the in while here, and if we don't have the post, then let's create the else statement as well. If we don't have a post, then we are going to display the content that is no post found. Suppose within HTML tag, heading tag, no post FOND found, S3 close here, and close the, let's in the if statement, in the if, and let's dive to the WordPress site here. mm, we are not displaying anything over here. uh, if we delete this default post, let's move to the trash. We don't have any active post currently, so we are getting no post found from here. Why we are getting that content is because WordPress trying to loop the post, but we don't have any current active current post over there. So the else block is working there. It means no post found. um, that content is displaying on our WordPress site like this. And if we make create the post that we have default post over here, we can delete this one permanently as well. Let's create a new that is post post 1 title title, and post post 1 cunt and the content goes here. Post 1 content goes here. Let's copy and paste the same content here. Yes, then publish. We have one active post. Let's refresh. We are not getting anything over here because we are not coding anything to display the post title and the content, something like that. Inside the while loop, let's close the PHP block here and start again from here. PHP. Why I'm closing this is because we can add HTML tag to display the title. For the title, let's use the s2 and close that. Inside the s2 tag, start the PHP blog, the underscore title title function, the title function, and again start the PHP blog here. PHP, close the PHP tag here. Yes, let's refresh. Now we are getting the post 1 title, that is the title only displaying with the heading to tag, and we need the content as well. It means the post content. So to display the post content, WordPress provides very handy function. Again, PHP blog with the underscore content function. Close the PHP blog and refresh. We are getting the title content as well. Currently we just have one post. Let's add more. Add new post to title. Post to and the content is goes here. is here. Let's copy and paste again that one there. Yes, then publish. Now we have two posts. Awesome. It's a post one, and again the post two title, and again the content. We are getting the content as well. Awesome, super cool. Hope this video is useful for you to learn and display WordPress post for the theme development with the Bootstrap 4 and implement the Bootstrap other function as well. If you have any question, leave the comment in the comment box, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, share, then hit the bell and like button. That would encourage me to create more video on coming future, and you will notice notified for the new video as soon as possible. Thank you.